Slovak and Bulgarian Air Forces receive F-16 Block 70 fighter jets from the S. The Slovak and Bulgarian Air Forces received Lockheed Martin F-16 Block 70 multirole fighter jets from the United States on March 31, 2025. The three F-16 fighter jets, accompanied by two KC-135R Stratotankers, flew from the United States and made a stopover at Morón Air Base in Spain. The two F-16C Block 70s for Slovakia with serial numbers 1005 and 1007 will be stationed at Slovak Air Base, joining the 81st Wing of Slovak. Previously, the Slovak Air Force had received its first three F-16Cs in 2024. It is known that in total Slovakia ordered 14 F-16 Block 70s, consisting of 12 F-16Cs and 2 F-16D variants. Meanwhile, the third aircraft, the F-16D Block 70 with serial number 301, is intended for the Bulgarian Air Force, marking the first F-16 delivery to the country.